I can see my courses that I am teaching by just clicking on my courses. So here I'll get a list of all the courses that this teacher is teaching, and I can click on any course to get to the dashboard of that course. On the dashboard of the course, you will be able to see list of modules. The first time when you start using this, you will have to, once you have created a course, you will have to add modules or topics or chapters. And you can also add concepts for that particular course. To add a module or a concept, you can press on the plus sign in front of either the module for modules or for concepts against the concept list. For each module, you can even do restrictions. By default, any content for any module will be available to all the students who are enrolled into that particular course. But if you want to restrict any module data, you can click in the settings icon in front of the module and lock any of this content for students and parents. On the dashboard on the right, where these are called widgets, and you will be able to see various things on various widgets. You will be able to see on the first widget the how many students are enrolled, and you can click on the enrollment list to get the list of students. On the upcoming events widget, you will see the upcoming events for this particular course. So all the calendar events for this course that are coming up. The next widget is for discussions. So this will show you the last 3 discussions that have been done for this particular course. And similarly, the last 3 announcements for the course will be available here. Now, once the modules and concepts are created, you can start creating content. So you can create content and see content by clicking here, various tabs, pages, collection, assignments, tests, student projects, discussions, or lesson plans. Or you can click on this content icon and see it across your courses as well.